Good morning, I'm Lucano. You're watching Mundo Bitcoin with the pre-market analysis for the second date of May 2014. You're watching Bitstamp price right now. This is the 3-day chart. Before we go into the intraday analysis, I just want to show you we still don't have confirmation based on the messages from the candles that this uptrend is gonna turn into obviously a new behavior of the market, and why no, new opportunities. So far the price is still very weak. We need more volume from the buyer side in order to deny this previous long range candlestick. So far this particular pattern is still have a potential that it could be turned into a lower high, and why no, a potential sell-off can continue towards this area, which is 339 with 79, and the worst case scenario, the SMA 200 will be the next visit for the correction. But right now it's potentially counter trends on the way. We don't know yet. That's why we have to evaluate the conditions of the market, and we have to place our orders based on our trading plan and our strategy. This is the daily chart. As you can see, yesterday's market, it was an overextended trend that it managed to penetrate 50% of the previous retracement. Now there is time for the price to stop, to have a break, to have a pause, and trying to build new potential patterns if the buyers manage to keep the momentum going. If no, sellers will take full control, and the denial of this previous uptrends can be more realistic, and the price will try to reach major supports intraday. Here is the 12-hour chart. After the lower high failure, the price managed to push himself up and try to reach these particular top tail areas on the left hand side. The congestion was over. Now it's time for the price itself to build a new consolidation or a new second higher low. Why not? It's possible. If this higher low comes in, there is a room and opportunity for the price to reach 505, but so far it's too soon to tell. We need to wait for the market to give us more messages based on what's happening so far with this small correction that is happening since this morning. And obviously the correction is just because of the fact that the price itself was overextended during yesterday's market and the previous market sessions. Now this is the 4-hour chart. Again, we reached the SMA 200, and unfortunately the correction denial this particular higher low is trying to push with the sellers. Price is been trying to be pushed towards this particular support, and after that it will try to reach 424. But like I said before, if buyers manage to maintain the volume and maintain the pressure on the sellers, and this particular correction gets denied by the price itself, there is an opportunity for the price to reach once again the SMA 200 and use it as a support. We haven't used it as a support in this particular time frame, but it is being used in the other small time frames as a main support, which is something very positive. We just have to wait that the price and the time frames from both sides, 60 minutes and 40-minute chart, gets coordinated and aligned with what the price itself and the behavior of the market is giving us. If this happens, there is an opportunity for us in a potential uptrend. Look what happened yesterday. This is the price right in the SMA 200, which is actually now changing the behavior, and instead of going down, is going flat almost. We might see once again a potential opportunity, but so far this is overextended. The price needs to build a new lower high, but that lower high might fail, and that's where the price take advantage, or the buyers itself take advantage of the situation and push the price once again above the SMA 200, and we might see all these formations once again, which is very positive for our end. Once again, thank you very much for watching. Have a great weekend. I'm Lucano. This is Mundo Bitcoin. Have a great day trading. See you around. Goodbye.